Namaskar and good afternoon. I'm Baburam Bandari from country Nepal. As part of the Hong Kong Polytechnic University Micromaster program assignment, today I'm making my presentation on the SWOT analysis of the Tiger Palace Resort located in the western part of the country Nepal. Throughout this presentation, I will introduce the Tiger Palace Resort. I will explore the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat of the resorts, and I will provide some information technology-based business solution based on those analysis. This is the image of the resorts. Resort was still amazing. Now going through the introduction. This is the Tiger Palace Resort is a five-star resort located in western part of the country, especially in Rupandre district near the UNESCO World Heritage Site Lumini, the country Nepal. It is in commercial operation in the year 2017, which is owned and operated by the Silver Heritage Group. This property is easily accessible from the capital city of the country Nepal and capital city of the country India. This resort provides luxurious accommodation, dining, restaurant, and the casino services. I will go through the strength of the resorts. It has obtained the certificate excellence from the TripAdvisor for its great review on accommodation, attraction, and restaurant. This is the image of the certificate excellence. Also, it has received the Best Employer Brand Award, which is the program hosted by the World HRD Congress and the Star of the Industry Group. Star of the Industry Group, which show its good management system, good internal management system. It has well designed infrastructure, which is located in area in over 22 acres of the land, which is the sufficient land for its future improvements and future business. It offers the luxurious accommodation, fine array options, and the area of leisure facility for guests of all groups, which is not available within this area. It also offers the world-class casino with the distinct gaming zone, packed for the all level of players. This is the image of the certificate of excellence. This is the image of the brand employer. Best Employer Brand Award received by the Tiger Palace Resort. This is the image of the casino. After analyzing the strength, I will go through the weakness of the resorts. One of the most important is that today there is a lot of technological challenge, and in this technological challenge, it is best to maintain the long-term relationship with the customer. For that, of course, CRM system should be there, and it should be effectively implemented. But in hotel there is no effective CRM system. There is no any formal loyalty program for the accommodation facility. It only offers the resort membership cards for those customers who has spent more than $500 in any outlets. And the benefit of this card is that the customer can only enjoy the 5% discount on the dining outlet bill. Also, there is no social media and online marketing and advertising of the resorts. And though the website of the hotel offers the direct booking from the hotel, but while going through the booking option, the booking option doesn't work. This is the image I have captured. This is that the page you are looking for cannot be found. It is the resort membership card. After analyzing the weakness of the resort, I will explore the opportunity of the resorts. It is located in the nearby location of the UNESCO World Heritage Site Lumini, which is the birthplace of the Lord Gautam Buddha. The distance from the resort to that heritage site is only 25 to 30 minutes ride on the private vehicle. Also, one of the major opportunity of this resort is that Lumini International Airport is in construction stage and is expected to be in commercial operation within the end of the year 2020. It is expected that the Lumini International Airport, tourists from the various countries can directly come through these areas, and it is suitable for the resorts for expansion of his business. Also, nearby the location of the resorts, the Chiton National Park, Saura is present. It is best for exploring the nature and the natural and wild animals. Also, within this area, the beautiful city Pokhara is located, within which is only within the 5-hour rides on the private vehicles. Vehicle. Also, in Nepal, we can see that among the highest 10 peaks, 8 peaks are located in the country Nepal. Country Nepal, and there is a range of Himalayan to Tarai region, which have the lot of to offer to the customers, and it is expected that there are a lot of tourism opportunity for this for the country Nepal, and for the specifically and may be benefited for this research. This is the image of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is famous for internal peace in the Nepal. This is the Chiton National Park, where you can explore the various type of wild animals and natural beauties. This is the Pokhara, and nearby the Pokhara there is the amazing Annapurna Base Camp and other trekking places, places for the tourist area. Also, after exploring the opportunities, I will explore the threat of the Tiger Palace resorts. One of the main threat is that there is the unstable government, and there are a lot of administrative difficulty for doing the various type of functions related to the resorts. Also, in Nepal, there is the lack of well-trained and the skilled technical manpower for support in the country in the Nepal. Also, one of the threat is that the increasing development of the information technology can impact the activity and business of the research. Also, other star rated hotel are in the construction stage. If they establish, then there is the top competition, and also with the globalization and liberalization of the policy implemented by the government of Nepal, it is expected that the competition will be rise on the future. Also, one of the impact is that the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to this, it is expected that the major tourists will not go for the destination, come for various tourism activity. Based on those analysis, I will provide some information technology-based business solutions. One of the major is that it should implement the social media and the online marketing and advertisements for showing presence of the brand hotel in the Nepal, and for attracting the various type of customer base. It should offer the more personalized and the customized loyalty program, and the loyalty program should cover all aspects of the customer needs and requirements, and this can be done through the business intelligence system, CRM system, and other technology platform. Also, the resource should develop and implement the effective customer relationship management for maintaining the long-term relationship to the customers. In relation to the loyalty program, the developed loyalty program should be easy, should have the easy subscription and the loyalty easy subscription, and the use of this subscription and the benefit should be in the easy manner through the use of the website. Further, it should update the content of the websites for more advertising, for more attracting the customers, and it should encourage the direct booking of the rooms and services to the hotels directly from the website. Also, it should update and maintain the mobile applications, which should provide the more information and personalized and customized content to the customers. In the era of the technological development and the big data analytics, it should use the business intelligence solution provided by the various technology service provider for more prediction on the business variables. This is the reference I use for this presentation. Thank you for